19 money rules everyone should learn by the age of 25. Pay yourself first as soon as you get paid. Put money into savings. Automating this is even better. Keep a 6-month emergency fund if you have multiple streams of income. You can go as long as 3 months. If starting out on your own, you could need as much as 12 months. Budget using 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% towards saving investing. This is the bare minimum. Divide your bonus into thirds. One third for fun, one third for retirement, one third for debt pay down. Add to retirement if only low interest debt. Put all or a large percentage of your raises into savings and investing. This helps avoid lifestyle inflation and moves up your retirement date. Avoid high interest debt. If you have it, use the avalanche or snowball method to pay it off. Google them. Always take employer 401k match. Many employers will match a percentage of your paycheck. This money is getting an immediate 100% return. If you turn this down, it's the same as turning down a raise. Your home payment, mortgage, interest, insurance should cost less than 25% of your monthly income. When buying a car, use the 24-10 rule. You have to 20% down, 4-year loan, less than 10% of your monthly income. I still prefer to buy older vehicles with cash, but to each their own. You should save at least 15% of your income for retirement. Your age subtracted from 100 represents the percentage of stocks you should have in your portfolio. Some are now using the number 120. The stock market has a long-term average return of 10%. To calculate your returns, it's common to use 6 to 8% to capture the effect of inflation. The rule of 72 tells you how long it will take your investment to double. Example, the stock market returns 10%, so 72 divided by 10, 7.2 years to double your money. The 4% rule says you can safely withdraw 4% of your starting investment balance each year, adjust for inflation in subsequent years, and not run out of money. Your net worth should be equal to your age x pre-tax income divided by 10. For example, if you're 35 years old and $100,000 in annual income, then your net worth should be 35 350,000. 35 into 1 lakh divided by 10. Have at least 5 times your gross salary in term life insurance. Before spending money, wait 24 hours and ask, do I still want it? If you do, go ahead and buy it. This will save you from a lot of impulse purchases. Save for retirement first, then your children's education. Value time over money and experience over things. So there you go, folks. These are 19 money rules everyone should learn by the age of 25. If you like this content, then do hit the like button, share and subscribe, and also help others. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. It takes effort to make such kind of videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.